I'm Neil.
Hello. I'm Francis. Here are some few steps how to apply online application for mechanical permit to install and operate. Step 1. Open web browser and type obo.cebucity.gov.ph. Step 2. Select Mechanical Services. Step 3. Choose Application. PTI, Permit to Install. PTON, Permit to Operate. New. DOR, Permit to Operate. Renewal. Step 4. Fill in information, such as name of building, name of corporation, location, email address, mobile number, and type of machinery you want to apply. Step 5. After submitting necessary informations, check your email for the request number and verification code. Step 6. Go back to the dashboard and click Client Sign and input your request and verification code. Step 7. Load your PDF files according to the list of requirements. And lastly, Step 8. Check your account after you received a text confirmation and you can now download the collection slip and present to the City Hall cashier. After the payment has been made, submit a copy of receipt together with all hard copies of documents and you can wait your approved certificate of operation or PTO in a few minutes. OBO personnel will prepare shortly printing of certificates of PTO and will be released right after printing. After the certificates is signed approved, it will be released and signed received by client while he or she is waiting. Congratulations, you have completed the process fast and easy.